Alright, what's up guys? It's CCU Guy 123, and the Broncos suck the first half. Oh my gosh. First they had a safety, then I think they had a fumble, then an interception, and they only got like 5 yards. It's ridiculous. They didn't even practice. It's ridiculous. But this review is of the Oreo double fudge cookies. These are really good. So, smells really good. Definitely can smell the fudge. Let's take a bite of it. I can't tell if you'll be able to see or not, but there's a bunch of fudge in there. Luckily, it's the cookie, the chocolate frosting, then fudge covers all of it. 10 out of 10 for cookie. I love it. My favorite cookie ever made, by far. First snack, probably 8.5 out of 10. These are really, really, really good. But for the price, they're okay. Well, not necessarily for the price. So I guess 9 out of 10. Because it's like, I got these for like $2.30. And they came with like 22 cookies. Something like that. It's good. Till next time, see you guys out.